Upang matulungan naman ang nangangailangan, naglunsad ng Zumba for a Cause ang College of Nursing ng Benguet State University. Narito ang ulat. Nagdaos ang College of Nursing ng Benguet State University ng Zumba for a Cause kamakailan. Sa temang Bigay Sayaw, Bigay Saya. Layunin nito na makatulong sa komunidad na nangangailangan.
It actually started even before pandemic. It started out as Galatians 5:14 movement. So it just started out as a group of Zumba instructors, Zumba enthusiasts. Ako lang kasi sa group namin, I'm the only one who's a Zumba instructor. I'm a licensed Zumba instructor. And it started out as parang, ano kaya kung gamitin natin itong avenue na to, itong platform na to, para tumulong sa kapwa. So, parang ganun, kasi madaming humingi sa amin ng tulong para magpa-Zumba for a cause naman kayo. Zumba for diabetes, for our may sakit. And then, sabi namin, why not let's sort of institutionalize it. So, mid-2017, Galatians 5:14 movement was formed. And Galatians 5:14 is love your neighbors as you love yourself. So, ganon. We started out as helping our indigent neighbors, especially those who are sick. Our first recipients were children with leukemia, with kidney disease, with hydrocephalus, and every year we have a Bigay Saya program. So we call it Nurse Bigay Saya. We go to a far-flung area and we do our nursing outreach there. There is a hygiene clinic. Oftentimes there is circumcision. There's also a medical, dental, surgical mission because we invite physicians, surgeons. Ayan, so we coined the program as Bigay Sayaw, Bigay Saya. And this is the third installment.
Ayon kay NARS President Kurt Sipian, ang kalahati sa kanilang malilikom ay ibabahagi sa kanilang kaklase na naaksidente noong nakaraang Disyembre.
It's a charity event solely for our level 4 nurse mate, Miss Carrie Domingo, who is currently recovering kasi she undergone an accident po noong last December. So currently she's recovering, so dun po pupunta yung portion of the proceeds ng Bigay Sayaw at Bigay Saya.
Pinayuhan naman ni Karanto ang mga kabataan na mag-ehersisyo at pakinggan ang sinasabi ng ating katawan. Ang pagsasayaw at pag-indak ay hindi lamang nagbibigay saya, kundi daan din upang maghatid ng tulong sa ating kapwa at komunidad.